29 forecast.
Well, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center will be an unsettled weather pattern from Tuesday through Friday. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Unsettled mean several opportunities for rainfall, so keep your wet weather gear, especially from the middle and end of the week. Until then, your Get Up and Go first forecast on this Sunday. A more typical December chill this morning with temperatures in the 20s and the 30s. Areas of frost. It is clear, calm, and cold. A few high-level clouds up in our sky, which will make for a red sky sunrise for parts of the area just after 7 o'clock this morning. We'll have a blend of sunshine, a few high clouds with daytime highs in the upper 40s and low 50s from Trumbullsville, Standardsville, Dillwyn, Harrisonburg, Stanton, Waynesboro. Sunset is at 4:54, and by that time we will drop into the 40s, 30s, and then some 20s by this time tomorrow morning. Currently across the board, it says 40 degrees in Charlottesville. That's at the airport. Here in downtown at the station, it's closer to freezing. 31 currently in Orange and 26 cold degrees in Stanton. NBC 29's live Doppler radar after a rainy start to the day yesterday. Lots of dry air up above right now, keeping us on the dry side for a little while longer, temporarily really. Watching some high-level cirrus clouds up in our sky. You can see that over the Ohio Valley down towards the Tennessee Valley. So some high-level clouds may dull our blue sky at times today and tomorrow. It is colder off to our northwest, but as I've been talking about the last few days, the core of this cold is going to head back up north into the Great Lakes and Canada. So we're just getting glanced by some more seasonable temperatures. That's because we have a couple of wet weather makers moving into the west coast and the Four Corners region. You can see that now from the Valley of the Sun in Phoenix into areas of Texas and Oklahoma. So we're watching a couple of weather disturbances that will head our way, giving us additional rain chances for the middle and end of the week. Our high-res weather tracker shows today fair skies, and then tonight clear and cold. Tomorrow, going back to work and school, you'll need your winter coat, perhaps the ice scraper with a frost. Tomorrow afternoon, a few high clouds will begin to increase, but we are dry until Tuesday. So here's Tuesday morning through midday. Showers arrive from the west. Here's Wednesday, a couple of showers. More often on rain, perhaps more on than off on Thursday into Friday. And we should start to see a brief drying trend perhaps for next Saturday. So at least right now, next weekend does not look like a total washout. In your Storm Team 29 reports on this Sunday, December the 4th. It'll feel like the season with more seasonable conditions with mainly sunny skies with highs in the upper 40s and low 50s, less wind with a light south breeze. Overnight, frosty cold, lows in the 20s and calm conditions. Your Monday outlook, a cold start, but a seasonable afternoon with highs mostly in the low, if not mid 50s with that light south wind. Once we go above freezing tomorrow, folks, we're going to stay above freezing until perhaps next weekend. Here's that forecast. We're in the 50s on Tuesday, 60s on Wednesday, Thursday, 50s on Friday, off and on rainfall. All told, we will likely get about an inch or so on average with the rainfall amounts. So not expecting flooding or severe weather, but some general rain showers as we go into the latter half of the week. And so far, the first part of next weekend looks to be drier, seasonable, a high near 50s. So if you're waiting for that first snow, you have to keep waiting because there are no signs of Arctic chills, at least in that 7-day forecast.
All right, well, that sounds good to me. I can't remember, do you enjoy the snow? Are you like a cold season guy?
Now, if I could control the weather, it would snow year round.
Wow. Well, I'm glad you can.
It's a good thing I cannot. So I love the snow.
I love the beach. I love the warmth. And so I'm just kind of wishing
Send me to the
winter
mountains.
away. Well, listen to this. The Charlottesville community came together on